In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to send a PayPal link to request payment from someone. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just need to request money, this method will help you get paid quickly and easily. So let's dive in. So first is open your web browser and go to paypal.com. Click on login at the top right corner of the page and enter your email address and password. Then click login. After that, so once you're in the home page, you can see so many options there that you can click. So under the request or send money section, you'll see the option to create an invoice or request money. So invoice is just this option if you want to include detailed information such as itemized lists, taxes, and other details. Uh, in request money is just this option if you just want to send a simple payment request without the formality of an invoice. For a simple request, click request money or this one request. So just enter the email address, their username or their email or mobile number and of the person or business from whom you're requesting payment. So just click on that and then click next and then just put here the amount of how much the amount you'll be requesting from them. So enter the amount you want to request. You can also select the currency and you can add a note or it's an optional. You can also use the create an invoice. This is for a formality. So here in invoice or creating invoice, just put here the customer name or email, and then the item name, the note for the customer, and then you can see here and the more actions. Just click on it. You can see there are options like share link to invoice. So just hit on that so after that, you can see that share an invoice link. So just copy this and then you can send that invoice to someone who will be receiving your invoice. So you can just do that. So sending a PayPal link for payment is a quick and simple way to get paid online, whether you need to request payment from friends, clients, or customers. PayPal provides a secure platform to ensure your transactions are processed smoothly. Now you can start sending people links to payments with ease. So that's it for today. I hope this video helps you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.